Imagine this. You wake up one day and realize the world quietly changed while you weren't looking. The biggest companies on Earth, the ones with thousands of employees, billion-dollar budgets, expensive offices, giant teams, suddenly have competition from a single person, one laptop, one internet connection, and one ridiculously powerful AI tool. That's where we are right now. In 2025, AI tools are becoming so advanced, so fast, and so unfairly powerful that they are replacing what entire companies used to do. Not helping, not supporting, replacing. Today, I'm showing you 10 AI tools that are already doing the work of billion-dollar companies by themselves. These tools give you the same power that giant corporations use to gatekeep. Let's begin. Tool 1. Perplexity Pro replaces research firms. Research firms like McKinsey or Gartner charge $20,000 to $100,000 for reports. Perplexity Pro? It creates research that's deeper, faster, sourced, summarized, cited, and visually structured in seconds. You type, "Create a market analysis for electric cars in 2025." It delivers consumer behavior, market trends, growth projections, competitor breakdowns, charts, sources, insights, opportunities. This used to take a team of analysts, data scientists, and writers. Now it takes one sentence. That alone feels illegal. Tool 2. Runway Gen-3 replaces VFX studios. Marvel movies, car commercials, sci-fi films. They all rely on massive VFX teams. Runway Gen-3? It generates cinematic scenes, action shots, slow motion, B-roll, actors, environments, special effects, CGI characters. All from text. This replaces cameras, lighting, actors, editors, VFX artists, colorists, 3D modelers. One creator with Runway can do what used to require a Hollywood team. This is the future of filmmaking. Tool 3. Gamma AI replaces presentation agencies. Companies pay $5,000 to $50,000 for slide decks. Gamma AI makes presentations that look better than those agencies in 10 seconds. You give it a topic. It returns. Full slide deck, animations, icons, visuals, color palettes, formatting, speaker notes, clean layout, professionally designed. This is unfair. Tool 4. ElevenLabs Projects replaces professional voice actors. Voice actors take hours to record, retake, clean, and edit dialogue. ElevenLabs does it instantly. You upload a voice, or use a professional AI voice, and it automatically narrates, reads scripts, creates characters, adjusts emotion, fixes pacing, adds realism, removes noise. Creators are already making entire YouTube videos without ever recording their voice again. That is game-changing. Tool 5. Durable AI replaces website agencies. Agencies charge $1,000 to $20,000 for websites. Durable builds, full websites, branding, colors, images, sections, copywriting, navigation from one sentence. And the crazy part? It updates everything automatically when you change your business description. This replaces designers, developers, copywriters, SEO specialists, UX teams in seconds. Tool 6. Descript replaces audio and video editors. Descript has one goal: make editing as simple as editing text. And it does. You can delete filler words, auto-cut silent gaps, overdub your voice, remove background noise, edit using transcripts, add B-roll, improve audio, level sound. This is basically an entire post-production team in one app. Tool 7. Jenni AI replaces writing agencies. Agencies charge hundreds or thousands for articles, SEO blogs, scripts, newsletters, reports. Jenni AI writes everything with citations, references, structure, and personalized tone. It also rewrites, expands, fact-checks, improves flow, adds sources. This is like having a professional writer working at 100 times speed. Tool 8. Claude Projects replaces knowledge management systems. Companies spend millions building internal knowledge bases. Claude Projects builds one automatically. You upload PDFs, notes, docs, ideas, research, screenshots. Claude organizes, connects ideas, creates summaries, answers questions, builds frameworks, writes reports. It becomes your second brain, but smarter. Tool 9. Zapier AI Agents replaces automation teams. Large companies hire entire dev teams to automate workflows. Zapier AI Agents automate emails, CRM, spreadsheets, notifications, leads, data entry, reports, social posting, project management. All from normal human language. Just say, every morning at 8 a.m., summarize all my unread emails and send it to Slack. Done. This is millions of dollars of business automation for anyone. Tool 10. Sora replaces production studios. This is the big one. Sora will replace film crews, editors, animators, motion designers, cinematographers, set designers, lighting teams, production companies. You type a scene, a man running through a futuristic Tokyo street in the rain, neon lights reflecting in puddles. And Sora creates it. Not animated, not simulated. Photorealistic. Entire movies can be made by single creators. This will disrupt everything. Here's the truth. We're entering a world where one person equals an entire team. One creator equals a whole studio. One laptop equals the power of a billion-dollar company. These AI tools don't level the playing field. They flip it upside down. The people who learn how to use them now will dominate the future. Not because they're smarter, not because they're more talented, but because they're early. If you want part 2, subscribe, because this wave is just beginning.